Apex Legends closed beta is now out for India, but only a small part of the fan base got their hands on it. The closest and the direct install was served as first come first serve basis. Even people who pre-registered on Google Play could not get their hands on it. Then comes the non-compatible device issue. However, we found a way through all the problems. In this video, I'll take you through the steps I used to install the game in my OnePlus 7T, which is also non-compatible device. And you can use this for any device. So guys, I don't have my entire setup right now with me, so spare the screen shake, and I'm literally holding the other phone with my other hand. So let's go through all these steps, and I hope that I'll be able to take you through all the steps without any such problem. So let's go. The first and foremost step is to go to this link and download this link, this Mediafire link. This Mediafire link has the OBB and the APK of the original file. Alright, I'll put the link in the description as step 1, since this is the step 1, right? This link will take quite some time to install, but after that, the next step is to go to our file manager. I am using OnePlus 7T at the moment, the device you see on my screen, but the steps will proportionately work on any Android that you're willing to install the game in, right? So we'll go to the file manager. We'll look for the link where the link got installed. This is the folder of the Mediafire link, Apex Legends Mobile.zip, like zip. So what we do is we go and unzip the file. Once we unzip, in case you are getting options to unzip in different location or this location, click the current location. In a lot of devices you'll get this option, a lot you don't, but go for the current location. After you unzip the folder, it will give 3 links, one APK, one OBB and one TXT. The TXT is basically useless, you don't do anything with that. What we do with the APK link is, we tap and hold on that APK link and we remove it. Make sure you don't install or run any link yet, okay, any file yet. So what we do is we basically click and hold on the file, which is the APK file, and we'll get the settings in the top right of the screen. We don't have it here, but it will have the option of remove. So we remove the APK file, but make sure the OBB is there intact. The OBB should stay there, okay? The OBB is the most important part of the video, right? Now we have uninstalled the original game. The next step is to download the modded APK file. I'll share the link of this too in the description as step 2. So this is the modded APK file, apex_legends_base, okay? We go and download this. Just download. We don't install it, we don't run it in our device yet. This is the step 2. I'll give in the description of the link in the description as step 2. Right now we are at step 3. So step 3, we go back to file manager on our Android devices and we look for the Android folder in it. Okay, mine is here, Android. We click on the Android. We find a file named. We find a folder called OBB. Mine is right here. We go to OBB. We create a new folder here. Make sure this is very important, okay? We create a new folder here, right? We need to name this folder. I will give you the name of the folder in the description as step 3. I'll also give it in the comments so that you can directly copy paste from the browser. This right here should be the name of your folder, com.ea.gp.Apex Legends Mobile FPS, right? This should be the name of it. Now since we created the folder, we need to put something in it. It will have 0 items at the starting. What we need to do now is we have to get back to our unzipped folder, right? That unzipped folder, we had the .obb file in it. We need to click and hold on the .obb file. Then we need to cut from that location, from the unzip file. We cut it We go back to the Android OBB section where we created a new file, which is here, and we paste that OBB file inside this folder, inside the new folder we created. Okay, this is very important. You need to name this properly, all right? Any letter might end up in a mess, so please make sure you can get every letter and every special character right. Now this is basically the entire step. This is step 3. Finally, you can go back to our modded WhatsApp, our modded Apex Legends version, the second one, right? And now you simply install it. After you install, you'll find the game as an icon. Now you open the game. Easy. That's it. That's the entire step. There was one more method to get the Apex Legends in the non-compatible device using the Lucky Patcher method. Okay. However, a little while, a few hours after the release of the closed beta, the developers rolled out an update, a patch rather, and it stopped the installation of the game using the Lucky Patcher method in non-compatible devices. So I won't be adding that method in my video. Okay, while I'm making this video, this method is very much working, and I have helped a lot of people do it, install the game in their phone. Hopefully it will work for you too. Let's go enjoy, and like, subscribe, share if you found this useful.